Hey YouTube, Sam here. And with all my videos, your safety is up to you. I highly recommend when doing insulation you have lung protection. One of the highest on the things I would say of doing. Eye protection, I don't do that enough, but you can get stuff in your eyes doing the insulation here. Although I gotta say, this stuff's been pretty good. I've been real happy with it. It doesn't cake off like some of the ones I've worked with in the past. And another one that's a pretty big one that people don't think about is a sharp knife. The sharper, the better. If you start cutting your insulation and chunks of insulation and the backing start tearing and chunks start coming off with your blade is too dull. And that'll hurt you quicker than any sharp blade around. A dull blade, no. And with all my videos, if you don't like the way I'm doing something, don't do it. Another quick tip on insulation here. I got this plumbing pipe going up here. Now, you wouldn't want to just shove the insulation right on in there. You want to split your insulation. Now, this is if you had wires going across, then you would take and cut across here, split your insulation, and bring this in behind the wires. Same as I did here. I split it with the plumbing. You split it, lengthwise because it's going up and down here. Put as the amount you can back here, then just fold it over and you put the rest back where it needs to go. That way, not only is your plumbing a little more protected that way, but you're not squishing the insulation in and having a big gap back there, and when you squish your insulation you lose your R value. And so therefore, it's just not good insulation practice to just shove things in. You want to leave the air. The air actually is quite a bit of the insulation that they are using in these. But anyways, little tip and trick there. Split the insulation, put some behind, some in front, whether it's plumbing or electrical, and that's the way you want to do it. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.